Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Irfan dan rakan perbentangan Muhammad Ashraf dan Muhammad Ikram. Hari ini kami akan membentangkan case study Hydroelectric Power Plant. Introduction. Hydroelectric power plant is a method of generating electricity by using the movement of water as the main source. This system usually involves the construction of a dam to store a large amount of water. When the water is released, the energy from the flow is used to rotate turbine and produce electricity. This method is increasingly used because it does not rely on fossil fuels and is more environmentally friendly. A hydroelectric power plant is a method of generating electricity by using the movement of water as the main source. This system usually involves the construction of a dam to store a large amount of water. When the water is released, the energy from the flow is used to rotate turbines and produce electricity. This method is increasingly used because it does not rely on fossil fuels and is more environmentally friendly. How hydroelectric power plant work? Number 1. Water is stored in a dam at a high level. Number 2. When the dam gates are open, water flows rapidly. Number 3. Water passes through a special channel, penstock. Number 4. The flowing water spins the turbine. Number 5. The turbine drives the generator. Number 6. The generator produces electrical energy. And the last, electricity is transmitted to users through the grid.
First, the natural river flow is alternate. When a dam is built, the river no longer flows naturally. This disrupts aquatic habitat and affects fishery movement, especially for species that need to migrate. In addition, change in water temperature and oxygen level can reduce water quality and disrupt the ecosystem balance. Second, dam construction can flood lake area. This leads to the loss of habitat from plants and animals. Local communities may also be forced to relocate, starting the river livelihood. Furthermore, water flow to downstream area is reduced, which can impact agriculture and water supply. In conclusion, although hydropower is a renewable energy source, it still has significant environmental impact that must be carefully managed.
For question 2, we are required to identify two environmental control systems used in a hydropower plant and explain their function, as well as discuss the advantage and disadvantage of hydropower generation in terms of installation and maintenance costs. Firstly, one important environmental control system is the fish ladder. The system is designed to help fish migrate upstream by providing a safe passage around the dam. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the natural life cycle of aquatic species and helps to reduce the negative impact of the dam of biodiversity. Secondly, the controlled water release system is used to regulate the flow of water from the dam. The system ensures that downstream area receive a stable and sufficient water supply, while also preventing sudden flooding and maintaining the ecological balance of the river. In addition, sediment control system and regular water quality monitoring and are also implemented in a modern hydropower plant. The system help to maintain water clarity, reduce pollution, and also ensure that the aquatic environment remain healthy and sustainable. Moving off the advantage of hydropower generation, one of the main benefit is that is a renewable energy source that does not produce air pollution. It is also capable of generating a large amount of electricity with relative low operating and maintenance costs as the plant is established. Furthermore, hydropower provide a stable and reliable energy supply compared to other renewable source. However, there are also several disadvantages that need to be considered. The initial installation cost of hydropower plant is very high and require a long time to complete. In addition, the construction of them can significantly impact the environment, including flooding lands areas and affecting local communities. Maintenance can also become costly over time, especially if there are issues related to sediment build-up or structural wear. Conclusion: overall, hydroelectric power is an efficient and environmentally friendly energy source. Okay. Although it offers many advantages, its impact on the environment and society cannot be ignored. Therefore, careful planning and the use of approved technologies are essential to ensure that this energy can be utilized without disturbing the nature balance. Okay, thank you.